September 11th, 2009. Here comes Tegan. Oh, she's really got the hang of this toy now.
Ready? Let's go this way.
Oh, oopsie daisy.
Steering wasn't a prerequisite.
Oh.
She just learned and she wants to run with it now.
Look at the big smile. Are you having fun?
Want to go the other way? Come on to your toy. Are you ready, Tegan? 1, 2, 3, go!